I'm Sandilya, Chairman of Aishar and also President of SOS Children's Villages of India. I've attended today's program on this total aspect of the holistic healing, integrated healing, alternative therapy, and what have you. It's been an excellent, outstanding program the whole day. We had lectures, presentations on subjects, starting with Dr. Hegde, who talked about the kind of ills of the current medicinal system and what we should be doing in terms of holistic healing, and the mind, body, spirit, the concept that the Indian ethos has been talking about for ages in terms of philosophy, with the modern medicine, the kind of integration that can be done, and openness to look at alternative medicine, whether it is homeopathy, Ayurveda, or whatever have you, to ensure that a patient is taken as a holistic person and looked at healing rather than just giving prescriptions based on symptoms which are very superficial. I think that's a concept which is, I think, taking up a lot of time in the medicinal world, and I'm happy to see that good doctors are thinking about it in a very broad sense, and the kind of presentations we had today has been outstanding. And I think if this kind of a trend goes on, with including the alternative medicine, Quantum Institute of for Well-being, if these people take the kind of positive steps, I think we have really good future to look at a holistic healing of human beings rather than prescriptive medicines based on symptoms, which only takes care of palliative and does not really cure the whole body, soul and mind. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Sachin Gupta. I am a cancer specialist based at Max Hospital in Mohali near Chandigarh, India. And I am into this cancer medicine for nearly about 12 years now. And so in allopathic system of medicine, we have so many patients where the medicines doesn't benefit, especially in advanced cancer cases. And these are the patients who are looking for alternative medicine and going around to various kind of practitioners, homeopathy, Ayurvedic, and other system of medicines. But eventually these patients lose hope and they are not able to benefit much out of any treatment. So there is lot which alternative medicine has to offer, and so and no system of medicine is perfect. So we need to combine all these things. This is what I have realized, and I myself conducting some holistic healing workshops for my patients and their families. And so a lot of times we are not able to cure them, but we can we always try to comfort our patients and their families as well. So now this quantum healing workshop which I attended, this is a concept where all the system of medicines are, we are trying to combine them so that the healers come together, so they are not scattered at various places, and patients have an opportunity to get a personalized treatment under a single roof. So the concept is like this, that if all various kinds of healers come together, it may benefit our patients a lot. So they don't have to run here and there for various options, which a single system of medicine obviously cannot offer. So in this endeavor, I am enhancing my learning, and eventually we try to get together and benefit our society out of it. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Gerd Müller. I am the founder of Active Ortho, an orthopedic and neurological rehabilitation chain here in India, and I am very excited about this endeavor here. I was in Paris at the meeting, and I really like the combination of the integrative medicine, the integration of allopathic and alternative medicine, and I think we're on a very good path here, and this is going to be a very good journey, and I'm very happy to be part of this journey. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Chinu Parashar-Vig. I work as a nutritionist, and for me quantum is the future. It's a thought-provoking one, and it's high time in the field of nutrition. We customize our diets, we personalize them to each individual, as each individual is unique. All the best.
My name is Pankhudi Judani. I'm a third year student at Maulana Azad Medical College, currently doing my MBBS. So I got to know about this conference through a friend, and what it has done for me personally is that it has given me a lot more hope associated with medicine. See, everybody walks into a medical college just to become a doctor so that they can heal people, help people. But what ends up happening is that when you study the diseases, you have so many diseases in which they tell you how to diagnose it. They tell you that all these things will be present and these organs will be malfunctioning. And at the end in management, they say that we don't have a treatment for it, or we don't have a cure for it, or the only treatment is, say, steroids, and the person has to be on an increasing dose of steroids for the rest of his life. You have like hundreds of diseases like that, and I started feeling that it's kind of not useless, but not as useful as I thought it would be, because a lot of the times I would just be diagnosing the patient, giving him a paper saying this is your diagnosis, sorry, I can't do anything. That kind of took away a lot from the charm of the medicine, so to speak, which is why I was planning to take up surgery, because it turned out to be the only definitive solution that I could see, the only thing that cured maybe a minuscule number of diseases, but at least every patient that came to me would be going back cured. This has changed that, because now I can see here that almost every disease is curable, including diabetes, hypertension, everything. Everything that we say is that we can only treat and we can only delay the consequences and not cure. That is changing, and that has changed my entire the way I view my future, the thing I want to do with my career. And as a student, obviously I have a more open view of everything and not as set in my ideas as the older doctors. So I feel that if I'm able to amalgamate my education of conventional medicine with that of quantum medicine, I will be able to practice better, and I'll be able to heal most of the patients and treat them and cure them, and they'll be going back healthier than they came in, which is something I don't see in conventional medicine. They treat it as a body. They say that, okay, your symptoms are gone, your signs are fine, go back home, even though the patient is feeling probably more pathetic than when he walked in. So that is something that is amazing for me, that I'm actually healing the person on all levels, as we saw, physical, mental, emotional, and also a spiritual way. So that's something that really amazing that I got to know about here, and I'm really looking forward to pursuing this.
Hi, this is Shivani Kapoor, and I'm really, really glad to be present here today amongst so many knowledgeable people. And as a seeker, I feel Tony is providing a great platform for people like me to come and get the chance of meeting such knowledgeable people and learn about the alternative medicine and healing practices which otherwise we would have never come to know. I'm definitely coming in for sessions tomorrow and look forward to gaining a lot more, not only for myself but for my family. Thank you.
So I'm Ronish Puri, and from Executive Access. So this has been a great experience. This is something which is innovative and is going to be path-breaking, and I'm sure it's going to heal a lot of souls and give a lot of happiness to a lot of people, wipe a lot of tears. This is really something which I believe will move the world and thinking and thought process to a totally new paradigm.
Hello, I'm Gauri Sareen, and I have been in the corporate sector for the last about 20 years, running my own business. I've also been associated in the spiritual space for the last 10 years or so. For me, this was a very interesting initiative because I've been meeting a lot of healers, been meeting a lot of practitioners of alternative methods of healing, medically or non-medically. And I have personally used some of these methods, and I found them very, very effective. A lot more than what I find the allopathic stream of medical fraternity in terms of effectiveness in many diseases. For instance, I had a slip disc recently, and I realized that there's very little which allopathy can do about it. So I used some of these methods, including some therapies, panchkarma, and all of that, and those were amazing. Very, very effective in a short period of time. So for me, what Quantum Healing Institute is all about is really the opportunity to get a lot of these healers together and start working together in a framework where this can be mainstreamed. So there's still a lot of disbelief about it. There's still people who are misinformed about it. There are all kinds of people in this space. So there could be a possible concerted effort, one, that the medical fraternity starts respecting and appreciating these form of alternative therapies and augmenting it with which I clearly see to be one of the objectives. But more importantly, also a platform for a lot of these alternative healers and practitioners to be able to showcase their work in a very cogent manner, in a more packaged manner to the corporate world and to a lot of executives in the corporate world who don't have access to them on a regular basis. I really look forward to this effort and making it like a much, much larger platform for many, many more people right across the world to come and showcase and promote what they have for the others. Thank you so much.
Vikas Vig. I'm a practicing chartered accountant. I have been interested in the holistic view of the world. Have been interested in looking at the life in its totality. This seminar and institutions like this offer the opportunity to really make available to the world a holistic view of healing, of various types of philosophies, of various advancements which have taken place in the quantum physics, in the quantum area. I think this is something very much needed for the world, and these type of seminars are very much needed to make people aware of what is the real reality which is opening up, which is coming up. And like for instance, I mean, on the healing side, the BAH, which offers with this Lecker antenna, I mean, it's just in a small instrument if you look at, but it can do wonders. And it's based on the scientific principles, and what it's trying to do is something which is eye-opening. And the experience of the various speakers, it was really fantastic, where they have used their consciousness with the people who have been terminally ill, who have been really in problem, medically written off, and with their conscious effort, with their mind-body relationship being used to the ultimate, they could come out of it. Not only come out of it, maintain optimum health.
As the consciousness of the earth is rising, we call this spiritual ascension. So more and more such groups are coming together, and particularly so the reason behind it is that as a group we can rise much faster, because as an individual it might take me ages and many lifetimes to do so many things, but as a group consciousness I can learn what you already know via you very quickly, via that oneness, via that connect, and I think it's most beautiful. So I really enjoyed being here.
So I'm Dr. Geeta Prakash. I work with one of these multinational, hospitals I should say. And I just thought this was a very interesting thing because it gives you another outlook to the same life that we lead every day. We tend to become so mundane in our thinking that we don't look around to see what really life has in store for us. This just took me back to my childhood when I grew up in Simla, when one appreciated the flowers, the trees, the nature, and not only was involved with work itself. So I think it was very interesting a workshop to attend. Thank you.
As you know, this is my first time to India, so it was an incredible trip, especially to come here and see such unique people gathering together with a common frame of mind. It was always, a really special experience to be in the same room with people who are fundamentally in the same paradigm. And I can sense that this is really the beginning, just in virtue of the fact that everyone is so excited about it. You can see the way people are talking after the sessions outside the room. There's a lot of excitement and enthusiasm, and I have no doubt that this is going to grow into something that's really big and really important and will impact a lot of people.
I think the event was fantastic. The quality of the presenters, people from all over the globe sharing their experiences. But what I felt was that ultimately, even though there are hundreds of paths, they just melt into, as if they were all emerging into one, right? The goal is one, the paths are different, and it's so beautiful just to see and hear everybody's journey, that how they're converging. I mean, I think there's no right or wrong, but it's just amazing.